Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you a really simple but super useful Python project. A PDF merger and splitter with a proper GUI. No command line, no complicated setup, just a clean desktop app you can actually use. I built this with Python's built-in tkinter library for the interface, and a package called pypdf for the PDF processing. So the only thing you need to install is pypdf, one line, pip install pypdf, and you're good to go. Alright, let me run the program. So here it is, two tabs at the top. Merge PDFs and split PDF. Nice dark UI, very clean. Let me start with the split tab since that's usually what people need first. I'm going to grab this sample PDF I have here. It's got multiple pages in it. I'll click Browse, select the file, and you can see it immediately tells me how many pages are in it. 6 pages detected. Perfect. Now the mode is set to every page by default, which means it'll break each page into its own separate PDF file. I'll keep it on that, choose my output folder, and hit split. Watch the progress bar. It goes through each page one by one. And done. 6 files saved. Let me open the output folder. So you can see, page 1, page 2, page 3, all the way to 6. Every single page is its own PDF now. Let me open a few of these just to confirm. Page 1. There it is. Page 3. Perfect. Page 5. Yep, exactly right. Clean individual files, named automatically. This is genuinely useful if you've ever received a big PDF and only needed to pull out specific pages, or if you're sending documents to different people and can't share the whole thing. Okay, now let me flip over to the Merge tab. This is where it gets satisfying. I'll click Add Files and grab 3 of those pages we just split. I can see them listed here in order. Now, and this is a nice touch, I can actually reorder them using the up and down buttons if I want a different sequence. I'll leave them as is. Hit Merge, pick where to save it, give it a name, and there's the progress bar again, reading each file and combining them. Done. Let me open that merged file. And there you go, 3 pages, merged into one clean PDF. Exactly in the order I added them. The full source code for this is available to download. Link is in the description. It's about 150 lines of Python, heavily commented, so it's a great project to learn from if you're getting into GUI development or PDF automation. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe. I've got more Python automation projects coming very soon. Thanks for watching.